So our tutorial for today is the ABC method as continually with the previous video that we have. So first and foremost is we need the details for table A, which are latitude and LHA. So we already wrote down what's our latitude, 32 degrees, 09.3 minutes south, and LHA is 149 degrees, 27.4 minutes west. And our declination is for table B. No? So for table B, we need declination and LHA. So now we're going to obtain those data inside the table A. So let us scroll down. We have here the 32 degrees. Okay? Ayan po siya, 32. Tapos, yung 1, 4, 9, 27. So, ang gagawin na natin dito sa 40 kasi mas malapit po siya dito. So, ang intersection po niya sa 32, okay, taas natin. Okay, tandaan po natin ha. Yung pangatlo is yung pang-apat is 149. Okay, so 32 dito. Okay, so the coinciding value is 1.07. Or pwede ka rin tuloy doon. Ayan, sulapin. 1.07. Okay, 1.07. So we go to the name. So sabi po sa rule, based on our book, nandito din sa baba yung rule, name opposite to the latitude except when LHA is between 90 and 270. So in Filipino, papangalanan mo daw yung letter A if the latitude is opposite with the value between 00 to 089 degrees, tapos po 271 until 360 degrees. Bali, opposite po no latitude yung magiging pangalan niya. But since yung value po natin for LHA is between 90 and 270 degrees, so ito po, 090 degrees until 270 degrees. So we're going to retain the same name as the latitude. So this is south. Okay? Next, letter B. So ito-drop down natin siya. Letter B same. Nandito po. So 19 degrees, 56. So bali, 20 na to. I-round out natin. So 20. And we go to the same 149, 40. Okay, which is here. Tapos, pang-apat di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Tapos 20. So ito siya. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0.72. Okay, so 0.72 south. Okay? So yung name ng ating declination is south. So the naming is still same. Same name as declination. Nandito din yan. Okay? Always name the same as declination. Tapos, the rule applies. Same name add, different name, minus. Okay, ganyan na. So, i-add natin siya. So the answer will be 1.79 and the name will be south west. Okay? Yung LHA. Nasa table C din yan. No? So hahanapin natin ngayon yung table C. So for table C, we go here. Cut mo. Kasi medyo matagal. Ito po. Tagal ko yun. Hindi ko siya kabisado. Ayan, tables. 1.79 mo. Okay. Sa west. 1.7. Okay. Ayan, 78. Yun. 1.78. Tapos, round off na lang kasi nasa gitna siya. what we need is the answer for table C, tapos latitude, which is 32. So yung sagot ko is 1.79. So nandito po siya in between, nasa gitna ko. So we're going to interpolate or estimate na lang yung value para mas madali. So nakalagay po dito is 32, ayun. Tapos 33.5 in between 33.2. So the answer will be 33.35. Okay? Estimate na lang po yan kasi nasa gitna po siya na 33.5 tapos 33.2. Yung 1.79. Okay? So this will be the answer, southwest. So the azimuth circle will apply the rules for azimuth to get the true bearing north, south, east, west. So if your azimuth is between north to east, this is same. If it's south to east, minus 180. If it is southwest, plus 180. And if it's northwest, minus 360. So, southwest po siya, plus 180. So, plus 180.00 degrees. Okay, so the answer will be true bearing po nung sun for this example is, pause mo nga. Adding 180 plus 33.35 is 213.35. So this is the true bearing of the sun. Okay? So that is the ABC method. So we will be uploading next one for the gyro error. Okay? With the correcting and uncorrecting the compass.